Hello to all young traders. In this video we will make money on binary options, so sit back and let's get started. Let's start with setting up the chart. Expiry time 15 seconds, transaction amount $50, chart type linear. As soon as we set all the settings, we will immediately start trading. The main idea of scalping is to catch the price movement and open trades in the opposite direction. Please note that the chart shows a sharp downward movement. The price has reached the support level, and right from the level we open a trade in the opposite direction. In scalping, you will have to correctly determine the level from which you want to open a deal. Now you will clearly see everything with your own eyes. Now we have found an excellent situation. First we correct the level, the price has approached this level, and we open a trade down and wait for the result. And so, friends, our first deal went into a good plus. Now we will place the next deal and move to another currency pair. We will look for a similar situation and open a deal. We open all deals from the level, and now the next deal will be opened from the resistance level. There is a sharp upward movement on the asset, and we open a deal in the opposite direction. Well, on this asset we also get a plus in the last seconds of closing. In scalping this often happens when a deal closes at the last second. Now let's move on to the next asset and first set all the necessary levels. We see that the price of the asset is moving from level to level, which means we will wait for the resistance level and open a sell trade. Excellent result, friends. Again we got a plus on the asset. Now we have $353 on our balance sheet. Pay attention to this asset. We immediately set the levels and wait for a touch to open a deal. As soon as the touch occurs, we open a deal to buy, which is immediately noticeable here, that the price jumped sharply down and we opened a deal at the right point. For this asset we confidently get a plus. Now we will move on to the next situation. And so, friends, the next asset, for starters, let's pay attention to previous situations. We see that we had a lot of touches of this level. Here we will also open a deal from the resistance level. On this cross we open a deal to sell, and wait for the result. For this asset, we also get an excellent result. It often happens when you trade using this strategy. You can close in plus at the last second, and this is normal. For beginners, this strategy is the easiest. You just need to catch sharp price fluctuations. You can also change the time, experiment and choose the best trading conditions for yourself. On this asset, we open a deal to continue moving down, and we will wait for the result. Our trading went up, our balance was $1,966 and we started with just $50 and we won it all using the scalping strategy. You can imagine how much you can win if you learn it. You must learn to feel the chart and catch price fluctuations so that your trades are always in the black. Let's move on to the next asset. We immediately notice that on the chart we see a resistance zone. Several price touches were right in this zone. We see that there was a touch and a sharp rebound down. Now we are waiting for the price to reverse in order to open a buy trade. It is important to be patient in order to open a trade in the right place and make a profit, not a loss. As in any other strategy, you need to wait for the entry point. On this beautiful note, I think we will end our trade. I hope that the video was useful for you and you will learn how to use this strategy correctly. If you want to receive signals and learn along with other traders, I recommend subscribing to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Until then, see you all.